How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to do how to get veiny hands permanently in 3 minutes. Just tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we're going to start off doing curls. 1, 2. And you guys know I love starting with curls or extensions. It's just one of the best exercises to really warm up. Just get your veins started. So again, it's really good to warm up. You don't want to go super hardcore right at the start. Warm up a little bit. Do some easier exercises. Again, I'm not saying this is easy. I'm just saying warm up a little bit. This will help. So a little warm up, take a little break. Next exercise we're going to do is we're going to wiggle our fingers back and forth. Now, this is a great exercise. I started doing it and I just noticed my veins have been really popping lately just from doing this simple exercise. Again, this is all we're doing. We're just moving our fingers back and forth. The reason why this works so good is because it's a different type of movement. A lot of the movements we do are curls or extensions or hold or squeezes. This one's a little bit different. So I love doing that exercise. We're gonna move right into squeezes. So grab your hands, squeeze them really tight, and we're gonna hold for about 20 seconds. So again, really good exercise, you guys. Squeeze as hard as you can. 10 more seconds, keep holding. Keep holding. Perfect, we're gonna go into extensions. 4, 5, 6. 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 40. Perfect. Okay, no break. We're gonna go straight into the claw stretch. So I like this exercise because it's a squeeze and it's a curl. We're curling our fingers really tight, and now we're gonna squeeze them. Hold this for about 20 seconds. So again, you should be squeezing really tight, you guys. Hold this, keep going. And again, this is a phenomenal exercise. I love doing this exercise. You get the curl and you get the squeeze. So you get 2 movements in one. Great exercise. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're just gonna end it with some curls. 6, 7, 8. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, and 30. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.